Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Today we are doing again a luxury follow-up review after some time, and today is time for my Prada. I'll show you. And today is the time to review my Prada Thunder Clouds sneakers after 1.5 years wearing them and loving them. Yeah, these are the Prada Thunder Clouds in black with some red details. Let's do this. I did a similar video with my YSL College medium bag. This is the second video of a luxury item I have purchased, and I wanted to follow up with you and share with you my experience, the things I like and the things I don't really like about the item. You can see I'm trying to take a good care of these beauties, so I'm trying to keep them every time clean, and I believe they look really nice after 1.5 years. So the thing I don't like, maybe this is just one thing. Okay, maybe I have two things to share, but this first one, the structure of the shoe is like this, so it's not really the best idea to walk in a grass or field or whatever, because rocks and dirt will really get, mud as well will go inside. It's pretty common that some rocks will get stuck inside these holes, and I need to remove them because you can feel that immediately, and this is something that bothers me time to time. So I am really careful, and I look where I step and where I walk, and I choose my path really wisely. But yeah, this is a thing that I find a little bit annoying. The second thing, I've worn them a lot this year, every season, like summer, autumn, winter, spring, every season. That's why I love them, that you can really wear them all year around. But I haven't, like, they're comfortable, don't get me wrong, but after wearing them for over like 2-3 hours, they can you can feel them not that comfortable, in a way that they are really hard to walk on in. And this is I feel it after again wearing them more than 3 hours, let's say. To compare to my other sneakers, other brands like On Running shoes or even my Adidas, I can walk really long time and don't feel this discomfort as with supposed to these when I am wearing these. So this can be, I say, this is something that I don't like, and yeah, that's something I felt during this period of time wearing them, and that's why I wanted to be honest with you and share my experience. These are pretty much the cons, and let's start now with the pros, the things I like. First thing, the look. I love the look. You have no idea. Okay, I can you don't know how many compliments I have received during this 1.5 years of wearing them. Almost every time I wear them, somebody at some place will compliment me on the shoes. It works at my work, at my places I go, people I meet. Every time, almost every time, somebody compliments the shoes. Ooh, these shoes are so cool. Wow, what's the brand of the shoe? I love your shoes. What's the brand? And so on. I think it's a good thing, and I'm like, ooh, yeah, thank you, they're Prada. Yeah, so I love them. I mean, I love the look, how they look. They're bold, they're edgy, they're like bam in your face, and they're super cool. I can insert some pictures so you can see how I've been styling them, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova. You can find me there. I'll give you an example. In Zurich there is one shopping center. It's called Globus. So recently, last year, they opened on the first floor, they opened some designer pop-up stores like Dior, Balenciaga, Valentino, Celine. So I went and I was browsing them and going into store to store, and I got 2 compliments. One in Dior, when I walked by, the sales assistant, she was like, "Ooh, I love your shoes, what's the brand?" So I was like, okay, I'm in Dior, and what I said, yeah, they're Prada. But whatever. She was like super nice and super like impressed by the shoes. And next up was I was in Valentino, and again the sales gal, she was like, "Wow, I love your shoes, what's the brand?" So 2 times in a row, and I was like, okay. People, like, there will be always people, especially in the fashion industry, people know, like, they recognize brands, and it make these kind of items, they make nice and cool impressions. So I was flattered in a way that I got this compliment on my outfit and my look and my shoes in this way. So yeah, I love how they're super impressive. Basically, this is the thing I like about them. So it's the look of them, the impressions it leaves in people, the height as well. They are a little bit high. They are a little bit high. So every look is elevating, and I love to wear them with jeans, with dresses, with skirts, and I think they're super cool to style, and they're super versatile. You can style them in many different outfits. I love that about them, and overall I don't regret buying them. Also, many of you on YouTube, you have reached me out on Instagram, on my DMs, and I have received a lot of requests about the size of the shoe. So again, I will make a disclosure. These are the 37.5 size. Normally I'm wearing 38, but in this case they are a little, I got a half a size smaller, and they perfect match. So many of you are asking me which size should I get. I always recommend to go, if you have the opportunity, to go in the boutique and try them on to be 100% sure, then go and do this. If not, maybe always get a size, half size smaller than your usual normal shoe size. And yeah, and also you're asking me if they are heavy, and in my opinion they are not. They are really pretty light, and that's what I love about them as well. And yeah, overall I think that it's worth it. The shoe is worth it, and I think it's a great purchase if you want to purchase cool sneakers, designer sneakers. I haven't, because many are comparing these to the Balenciaga or the other luxury high-end brand sneakers. I love these. I love the look, the edgy look of Prada. I love the design. So if you are somebody who is also into this edgy, cool looking pair of shoes, then yeah, this is the right one for you. Let me know in the comments if you have thinking about getting them, or if you have them and what are your thoughts. Share with the audience below, and I will also follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova, and I will see you in my next one.